Learning is fun with Riri.
Hi friends! Welcome to Learning is Fun with Riri's channel! And today, we're going somewhere. Can you guess where are we going? Yes, that's right. We're going to meet some amazing farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go explore the farm together.
Cow. Cow. Duck. Duck. Horse. Horse. Goat. Goat. Hen. Hen. Pig. Pig. Rabbit. Rabbit. Sheep. Sheep. Goose. Goose. Donkey. Donkey. Rooster. Rooster.
Wow! That was fun! We learned so much about farm animals today! So if you had fun learning today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can join us for more fun adventures! Thanks for watching, friends! See you next time!